Good morning and welcome to Mallory Court. We're here for the S-Cross hybrid launch. Time to adventure. This looks very Suzuki.
Yes.
The heart of England. Those. So we're about to adventure, and proper adventuring.
We are in the heart of England. And this looks like a massive, giant adventure playground.
Very Roswell there. That's probably what it was, because it was the, what's the name, wasn't it? Anniversary of Roswell.
It was. Gosh, I've forgotten about
Look
that.
at the cows.
I know, I'm filming and the horse and the sheep.
Right, now, back to cars. So we've got our platoon of S-Crosses. We've got AllGrip set. So we were told to put it in snow, then put it in lock, and then put it back into sport. I didn't even know you could do that, so the rain's going to really help actually. That was child's play, wasn't it?
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Alright, yeah, you got it lock mode
Yeah.
there. Your
Yes.
manual mode in the transmission as well. It just helps lock it in
Yeah.
for this, that's fine.
The thing that people aren't always aware of is it's all very well walking it up hills, but you do have to have a little bit of momentum to keep going because there's a fair bit of weight behind it.
Excellent.
Off he goes.
Keep it rolling, keep it going, keep it going.
Right, I've seen a couple getting stuck and reversing.
But that's why we run the lead car to show, well look, it is possible.
Yeah.
You know.
That's it, you just need to not be scared and just carry on.
Yeah.
Wow. Perfectly fine.
Well done.
Thank you.
That was fun. Hey.
Well, this is the first time we've been able to do this kind of like off-roading together, isn't it, really?
It is, yeah.
Oh, they're
They're rolling back. Keyless start as well, haven't we?
We have.
It look easy.
Oh, not quite. Thank you.
It's fine, honestly. There we go.
There we go.
Nice
a little bit
work.
of a slip there.
Perfect. You were made for this.
Thank you very much.
Go on, you're good, you're good, you're good. We'll slide, but don't worry. Good, good, perfect, perfect. Look at that. That's the best one today.
Nice work.
Thank you.
Nothing can go wrong now. Left lock now.
Yep.
Go left. Keep going. So you're going through it coast. Now you can just zoom through this, it'll take it
A
easily.
little bit quicker, yeah. That'll be alright. Then at the end we're going to turn right.
Slow down a bit.
No, we needed a sploosh there.
And we're just going to follow it round to the right here.
Lovely.
That's it, nice and smooth, keep on.
More power. Nice work. Right, keep going, more power, more power. Excellent job. Thank you.
Thank you. We're braking down here, yes.
Yeah, just a bit, not much.
Yeah.
So just keep it going, but just a little bit of brake at the end.
There you
Because of
go.
the bobble, nicely controlled.
There we go.
Very nice. Okay, excellent.
It really is just eating this up
Yeah.
and making light work of it.
It's fun drifting through the mud too. It's amazing how capable these are. Cause I mean, they've got a decent ride height, but it's not what you call towering, is it?
No, and yet it handles this with
Oh,
ease.
we're supposed to go this way, are we?
It would have been a completely different story with it dry.
Oh yeah, completely. Well, we didn't have the momentum then.
No, because we had to stop for them going around, I suppose.
Yeah. Whee! I'm assuming we're going the right way.
Yeah, because there's a marshal over there.
Yeah, I tried to get up that other one and ended up sideways.
I can see.
Is it that bad?
Just get rolling up the hill, you'll be fine. We'll
do.
go main tomorrow, you'll be alright.
Thank you.
Take a bit more, a bit more. There you go.
I mean, yeah, we basically followed his route and then realised, oh, we could have gone up that hill. So we got stuck, as you can see, by the mud on the side.
Like you need to brake.
Oh my word! What the? I was in his track!
Yeah, I was going to say you literally were stuck in his groove.
It's sliding.
Yeah, you're right. Just keep going now. You're right. Just keep going.
It's.
Keep going.
See what I mean?
We need a tea. Oh, wait, he's going to move the cones.
Hey! This is. Alright.
You're on it now.
Wait! There we
Right. You go that way.
Yeah, thank you.
Right, go on.
What, through that?
Yeah, yeah, go on. Keep on that
Alright.
lock. Keep on that lock. Perfect. Go on. Go on.
Yeah.
Right, keep on.
Ooh. We're doing it.
Amazing! Wow. Okay. So yeah, the first car cut a bit of a groove, and as you could see, we were well and truly stuck in it. That was fun.
Moral of the story, I think, is next time get in the front car.
I know. Well, that's it. By the time we've come down, what, 8 of the S-Crosses have come down, so they've kind of carved a bit of a groove.
And in this muddy trench that we're in, I suppose, is the only way to put it.
Well, that's
So
it.
it's
You've got to
bouncing
keep
around.
moving it, because nobody's moving. You get bogged down. Remarkably agile. Just look at him. Get that, fishtailing through the mud. Absolutely. Yes. Oh, straight into the gravelly. So if you get stuck on a mud campsite, you've got absolutely no problem. But if you're willing to go a little further, you can do things like this. And this mode is excellent. But AllGrip, I mean, they've even tightened up the system, and it detects slippage before it slips, if that makes sense.
Yeah, never mind intuitive, it's almost preternatural, to be
Well,
honest.
that's what it kind of, that's how they've developed it, of what I've read, which has improved since the previous version of AllGrip. There's also 3 levels.
There is.
There's AllGrip Pro and the Jimny. You've got the automatic, and then you've got the one you've got on these, and probably the Vitara. And it's the automatic that's on Ignis and Swift.
I love that little Ignis.
Yes. Copes with this.
Yeah, this is no problem.
Well, what in the park for it.
And you'd expect that you'd need something like a pickup for this.
Oops. Hit the flag. It's an impressive system.
Yeah.
Ooh, should we go that way?
No.
Interestingly, economy is not suffering. It's still getting 41.5. Oh look! See those every day, do you?
Certainly not somewhere in here.
Look at the house.
Oh, yeah.
That looks
Miniature
like an airfield.
house.
Yeah.
It does.
Decent sailing circle, isn't it?
Nice one, well done.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can whip it around.
Whip it good.
The orange whips. Wow, that bounced.
That totally bounced and oohed.
Okay, bit of drifting. Takes it with ease, doesn't it? It's not an uncomfortable ride either. You'd think
No.
it'd be.
Bone jarring,
Yeah,
and it's not.
It's not. It takes it. Like, I don't know. It's cushioned, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice and easy to get back under control as well. It's very sure-footed.
Ooh.
Oh, we're back.
Yes. And that's a wrap. And we've had such a wonderful day here with Suzuki in our off-roading adventure.